Hey everybody, hopefully you guys are all doing well. I know it's still a very interesting time for all of us. And hopefully spring break has brought you at least some time to reflect. Hopefully you don't have to work too much. That means you're out there about just, helping out the community and doing things if you're working, because if you are, then that means you're an essential person. So thank you for your work if you're out there. If you're not essential like me, I'm home. Then hopefully you got some time to at least take a break, even though you may be wanting to work. With all that, we have to start looking forward to next week. We get started. So I want to make sure you're aware of what you're going to do to be successful in the class. And so I sent you an updated calendar. The calendar is also posted here. We'll continue meeting again through virtual classes. That's the big update. We're not going back to face-to-face instruction. I do want to highlight that I've updated our process. Me speaking for 2 hours is probably not the most beneficial, especially, again, if we don't have a lot of interaction. So what I'm doing now is our virtual classes will meet for an hour. And then the hour before the first part, I wanted to give you time to start getting your questions together, organizing your thoughts, finishing your notes and videos, which would be essential, so that when we're together for the last hour, I'm answering questions and we're being interactive, or I'm demonstrating things and we're talking to each other versus me talking. That's just not very beneficial. You can just watch my videos and do that if you're just going to listen to me talk. So that's what we're going to be doing for our virtual classes, our first one next Monday. Now, I sent out the first set of notes for Chapter 7.1, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. That's also posted. And so this is what you're going to want to do. Take your note sheets, make sure you print them out, right? And so, for example, for Monday's class, I want to make sure you have your note sheets completed. And then within the note sheets, let's find it, Chapter 7. So, for example, you have the note sheets, and then I have the lecture videos. Here they are. There's your guided notes and the videos. And so I already emailed them to you, but they're also here. And then I have the videos posted. You're going to want to use those videos. You're going to play through them, these exciting videos. Take your notes that go with the note sheets, right? And I try not to make the videos too long. I do my best to keep them reasonable. And then you are going to take notes in the note sheets. Let's pull up our note sheets. There we go. So for example, for Chapter 7, you will have a complete set of notes. I need you listening to the videos, going through them, right? And taking notes and really thinking about what is going on. I'll get it. There we go. Going on here as I'm talking through those. So you have all the way up until class, that second part of class, to get this done. And so these should be completed. I know you all don't have a printer. If not, then it's a PDF and you're taking notes on the side so that you have this. But you want to listen through this and go through the note sheets prior to class. That's the biggest thing that you're going to have to do to be successful, so that when we're together, you're ready to go. You're ready to go with class. So that's going to be the biggest thing that we have. I think also the big update, which we'll talk more about when you look at your calendar, is Exam 3. It's going to be a data collection project. I'll keep it reasonable in length, and so you have time to build in questions, right? There's time to build in questions so that we can meet and talk. There are a couple of sessions here before it's due. And then the final exam, I'll contain it to the last 3 chapters only for the final exam. And so I'm trying to keep this reasonable, especially considering our kind of this situation all of us are in. The online challenge problems will continue to be the same. They will be where you answer a question, post a question, or a solution to a problem to the discussion board. So those will be how we did it the last time, and those dates are there. Those, again, everything is kind of flexible, but those have to kind of be met to kind of keep everyone together. Of course, I have suggested due lines for the online homework, but you can't save that for the end, even though they're all officially done. The point is to get those done before the end of the course, not after, and get it done as you're doing it, okay? That's what we have. I'll see you guys next week. and talk to you guys soon.